Welcome to Bodhi Sangha. The interconnected, accelerating challenges of our times, which are so complex, require an entirely different response. Old approaches of focusing on one issue, just being in one organization, and planning our way to change have stopped working. So we need an entirely new way of responding. And Bodhi Sangha, we believe, is one such way. Bodhi Sangha is a journey that started more than 10 years ago when we came together in 2014 for the Artivist Ashram. Over the last 10 years, we've come together and built a shared vision for a society. We have figured out that there are 4 components that a movement needs.
Let's look at governance first. Governance is the most important component of getting people together. It's about how power is shared, how decisions are made, and how do we get resources for the work we want to do. Getting there is at the very heart of making Bodhi Sangha work, and we're proud to have experimented with deep democracy for the last 7 years. We take decisions with full consent and follow a method where everybody participates in decisions that matter to them. The next is narratives. Narratives really galvanize people towards shared action. We have realized that while we may have different ideologies, we can weave them together into narratives that are timely, responsive to the context, and enable coordinated action. Narratives require us to hack cultures and understand which are leverage points at places where we can introduce memes that go viral and get people to act together. The next is ecosystem. The ecosystem is a collection of individuals and organizations that act together. An ecosystem is held together like a mycelial network where the relational field becomes the primary currency through which meaning, action, ideas, and resources flow. This ecosystem also connects to several other ecosystems around the country so that there is a mycelial network all around the country that can act together. Finally, pedagogy. Pedagogy is the methodology through which we train young people to actually be ecosystem weavers. It includes courses, programs, learning journeys, mentoring, and all the other experiences and exposures that allow a young person to move from just a social worker to actually somebody who is able to connect across various organizations, various ecosystems, various ideas, and various languages. A pedagogy that really works will create ecosystem weavers on scale and create the fabric required to hold the movement that Bodhi Sangha is.
Together, these 4 ingredients create a possibility of a different future. They create a possibility where L4 ecosystem weavers are built continuously through the pedagogy, act on shared narratives, and action it through the ecosystem.
We believe that when ecosystem weavers connect to each other, sense together, and coordinate actions, they are able to sense and respond to emergent challenges that are happening time to time. For us, weaving and building L4s is the key to creating a Sangha that successfully transitions India to a very different vision.
Come join our relational field and be a part of Bodhi Sangha.